Hello students, welcome to our channel Mathematical Lens. Today's class is R.D. Sharma class X MCQ number 1 chapter real number NCERT. Okay, let us start. Number 1. The exponent of 5 in the prime factoration 3750. 3750. Clear? The exponent of 5 in the prime factoration. Then 5 750, 5 150, 5 30, 5 6 2 3. Exponent 1 2 3 4, 5 to the power 4. Clear? Answer is B. Answer is B. The exponent of 5 in the prime factoration 3750 is 4. 5 to the power 4. Answer is 4. Answer 4. Next, number 2. Number 2. LCM of two number LCM equal to 1200. LCM is 1200. Which the following cannot be there? HCF. HCF is a factor of LCM. LCM is 1200. So HCF 200, 400, 300, 600, 100. Clear? Question is, which is not cannot be HCF? Cannot be 500. 500 is cannot a HCF of which LCM 1200, because 500 is not a factor of 1200. Answer is 500. Answer B. Clear? Cannot HCF. LCM is 1200. Which two numbers? LCM is 1200. These numbers HCF is not 500, because 500 is not a factor of 1200. Next 3. N equal to the power 3, 3 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4 into 7. Then the number of the conjugative zeros, n, where n is a natural number. 2 into 5 equal 10. Number 1 0. 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4. So 3 0, because 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4. The conjugative 0 is 3 less than 4. So number of 0 is 3. Hala? When the n is a natural number, conjugative is 0, 3. Conjugative 0 is 3. Answer 3. Answer 3. Option is B. This number conjugative zeros is 3, because the power of 2 is 3. So number of conjugative 0 is 3. Next 4. The sum of exponent of the prime factoration. The sum of exponent of a prime factoration in the prime factor 196. 196 prime factoration. First we prime factoration 2 9 8 2 49 7 7. 196 is equal to 2 square into 7 square. 2 plus 2 equal 4. The sum of exponents of the prime factoration, the prime factoration 196 equal 4. Answer is C. Answer is C. Question is the sum of exponent of the prime factor, sum of exponent of the prime factorization. Prime, exponent, sum, clear? Sum. Next 5. The number of decimal place after which decimal expansion of the rational number 23 by 2 into 5. The number of decimal places after which the decimal expansion of the rational number 23 by 2 square into 5. 2 square 5 to the 1. 2 is greater, so answer is 2. Answer is 2. Clear? The number of decimal places after which decimal expansion their rational number after 2. Clear? Will terminate after 2 places because power of 2 is 2. Power of 5 is 1. So greater number is answer. Greater power is answer. Bas. Greater power is answer. Answer is B. Which decimal expansion rational number will terminate? Answer 2 places. Answer 2 places because power of 2 is equal to 2. 2 is the greater. 2 power, which power is greater? That's the answer. Next 6. If two positive integers a b the expressible in the form of a equal p q square, b equal p q q, LCM of a b, LCM of a b, p q greater power 3, so answer is p q square q greater power square 2, q square, LCM is equal to p q square. Greater power is the LCM. LCM is greater power. LCM is greater power. Next 7 HCF FB small power p q square q, LCM is equal to FB equal PQ. LCM greater power, small power equal HCF. Small power is HCF, greater power is LCM. Next 8. M equal PQ N equal PQ square, HCF MN, PQ small power P Q square and small q square, so answer is Q, PQ square, HCF MN is PQ square. Next 9. Next number 9. HCF of 95 and 152. 95 152 19 5 8. So answer is 19. Answer is 19. HCF of 95 and 152 equal 19. Next 10. Next number 10. Clear? Next number 10. Please note down. HCF is equal to 13. Numbers is equal to 26 169. LCM is product of two number divided by HCF. LCM is equal to product of two number divided by HCF. HCF is 13. HCF is 13. 2 9 ja 18. 2 9 ja 18. 1 carry. 2 6 ja 7. 2 6 ja 16. 378. HCF is 2 9 ja 8. 2 9 ja 18. 18 ja 1. 2 6 ja 32. 33. Next number 11. Please note down. Next number 11. Which of the following rational number is terminated decimal? Terminated decimal. Which denominator is 2 which denominator has factor is 2 and 5? It is a terminated decimal. Clear? 16 by 25, 7 by 250. 7 by 250 equal 16 by 5 square, 7 by 2 into 5 cube is equal to 16 by 5 square into to the power 0. 7 by 2 to the power 1 into 5 the cube. Clear? So the answer is 16 by 25, 7 by 250. The terminating decimal answer is D. Answer is D. These are terminating decimal. Terminating decimal 16 by 25 and 7 by 250 because the factor of denominator is equal to 2 and 5. Next 12. One 4 5 8 7 by 2 1 5 to the 5 5 to the 5 will terminating after 1 5 greater power 5, so 5 places, terminating after 5 places, terminating after 5 places, whose power is greater 2 and 5, whose power is greater, that's the answer. 12 number B. Next 13. (31 by 2 to the power q into 5 to the power square). Denominator factorization to the power 2 and 5. 2 and 5, so it is a terminating decimal. So it is terminating. Because denominator is 2 and 5. Denominator is 2 and 5, so it is terminating factor. Answer A, terminating decimal. Next 14, the LCM of 2q first term 2q into 3 square, second term 2 square 3q, 2 square 3q. LCM 2 greater power 3, so answer is 3. into 3 square 3q power greater 3, so 3 and LCM is 2q 3q. C the right answer, C. Next 15. HCF 18 product 12960 LCM. LCM is equal to product by HCF. HCF is equal to 118. HCF is equal to 118. The LCM. $720. LCM is equal to 720. Clear? LCM is equal to product divided by HCF. LCM is equal to number of product by HCF. Next 16. $147 by 120 will terminate how many places will it terminate? Equal 120, 260, 230, 215, 260, 213, 215, 3, 315, 3, 5. Clear? The decimal places 147 by 120 terminate after will be 3. So it is not, then we will lowest term 147 by 120. 3 40, 3 49, 3 49 by 40. Clear? Because 3 is a factor. Then 40. Then 40. 220, 210, 25. 49 by 2q into 5. 3 places. Will terminate how many places? 3 places. Will terminate by 3. How many places? 3 places. 3 places. After 3 places will terminate. After 3 places will terminate, because power of 2 is equal 3. Power of 5 is equal 1. 3 1. Which is greater? 3. So answer is 3. 16. Answer C. Next 17. The total number of factor of a prime number, 1 of 5, 7, 1 of 5, 2 factors. The number of a factor of a prime number is 2. 1 and itself. 17 number, see the right answer. The total number of factors of a prime number is 2. 1 and itself. 11 is equal to 1 into 11. 13 is equal to 13 into 1. Next number 18. The HCF and LCM. HCF 12, 21, 15. The HCF and LCM are 12, 21 and 15. 3, 4, 7, 5. HCF equal 3. LCM 3 into 4 into 7 into 5. 3 into 5, 15, 4 ja 60, 420. 3 and HCF 3, LCM 420. Answer C. Next 19. Next 19. The product of non-zero rational number and irrational number. Rational number 5 into root 3 equal 5 root 3. Clear? The product of non-zero rational number and irrational number. Rational number, irrational number, always irrational number. Rational number into irrational number, always irrational number. Answer ratio B, always irrational number. Next 20. HCF x cube y square b equal x y cube. HCF A B x cube x small power x y cube both are same power, both are x y square y cube small power square, so answer is square x y square. HCF of A B x y square, answer B. HCF small power, LCM highest power. Please note down.